If you're a traveler who loves to explore wildlife, visiting Vellode Bird Sanctuary is a must. The place is inhabited by various bird species and plays a vital role in maintaining their survival and recovery. The Vellode Bird Sanctuary, one of the most famous bird sanctuaries in Tamil Nadu, is known as Heaven for Bird Lovers. It is located near the temple town of Erode.
Nestled in the scenic beauty, Vellode Bird Sanctuary stands as a testament to the importance of preserving natural habitats for avian species. Spread over an area of approximately 77 hectares, this sanctuary is a haven for both resident and migratory birds, offering a serene retreat for birdwatchers. The ticket prices are listed in the board, and we got one. Stay with me to explore the heaven of birds.
It was established by the Ministry of Environment and Forests, Government of India in 1996, and is one of the 16 bird sanctuaries included in the official list of protected areas of Tamil Nadu. The sanctuary has been modified a few times, and places inside the sanctuary restored for the accommodation of an even larger number of birds. The changes were also made with the interest of tourists in mind. The efforts taken have helped the local economy grow and the people who visit the sanctuary.
Unlike other bird sanctuaries in the state, Vellode Bird Sanctuary is built around a tank and has no nearby woodlands. To reach this sanctuary, you can take public transport from Erode bus station or railway station, which is approximately 12 kilometers away. You can hire a taxi or take a bus.
The sanctuary is characterized by its lush greenery, encompassing marshes, wetlands, and wooded areas, which collectively create an ideal habitat for various avifauna. Its strategic location, flowing adjacent to Vellode, the Lower Bhavani Canal, is the lifeline of the sanctuary that makes sure the water level remains consistent all year round. This phenomenon helps many species stay in the sanctuary throughout their life without having to leave the protected lands. The Periyakulam Lake is a rain-fed tank and not connected with any other channel system. The Lower Bhavani Project Canal, which runs near the sanctuary, has no separate sluice to this tank, and the tank is fully dependent on the seepage water from the channel and monsoon rains. The tank has two outlets for serving irrigation purpose, which are regulated through sluice mechanism for ensuring water availability for the birds throughout the year.
To enhance the aesthetic and experiential quotient of the sanctuary, 2 nature trail paths have been laid over the tank bund for 700 meters and 600 meters. This has been done by strengthening the bund, clearing bushes and erecting interpretation signboards along the trail. This human-made tank is an ideal habitat for birds due to the abundant food resources it provides from neighboring agricultural fields and other aquatic organisms. It is an important staging and breeding ground for migratory birds on the Central Asian flyway and also resident species.
In the next episode, we will explore more about the migratory birds and also resident species such as the Indian River tern sterna orantia, Oriental darter known as Anhinga melanogaster and painted stork known as Macteria leucocephala. So join with me in the next episode to explore in detail.